Hello, I am Kiera and welcome to my travel era as I take you along on my journey to explore different countries around the globe. In this vlog, I am visiting my 60th country, the Maldives. So let's jump right in.
Made it to the Maldives and I'm getting ready to go find the ferry, but I think I have like a whole hour before I'm supposed to be on it. Customs was very easy, immigration was very easy, so I breezed through that in like 2 minutes. So now we'll see what else there is to get into. It's a rainy day today. It's supposed to be tomorrow as well. So just gonna chill, go grab some food, go to the store. That's it for now. So yeah, let me go get out of the rain now. Hopefully the sun comes out. Right now I'm in Maafushi, which is an island that is pretty close to the airport. About maybe a 30-40 minute speedboat ride from the airport. I'm at the Bikini Beach right now. So this is the only beach on the island that you're able to wear bikinis, hence the name Bikini Beach, because it is a Muslim country, so typically the women are all covered up and people don't wear bikinis. So yes, I have 2 more islands that I'm going to here as well. The weather has been rainy, but it's supposed to be clearing up a little bit maybe starting tomorrow, so they say. I don't know. But today it's like very windy and cloudy, but it's not rainy just yet. So just gonna enjoy while it's not raining, because yesterday it was pouring down rain. It's not even like monsoon season, but the weather is unpredictable, so you never know. This is a very developed island, so I wouldn't recommend just only coming here for your Maldives trip, because it's definitely very developed.
This is the walk to Bikini Beach, and it's not a very large area. There are beach chairs taking up most of the shoreline, and you have to rent a chair or buy food and drinks from them to use the chairs. Or if you're staying at the 2 hotels directly behind the beach, they provide beach chairs for free. So it's kind of like a beach chair monopoly where you don't have very many options to go with. So there's almost nowhere to just lay down your own beach towel and enjoy the beach. I would say if you're looking for that postcard worthy Maldives beach, then there are probably better islands in the Maldives to go to. But if you want to do a lot of excursions and day trips, this is a perfect island to base yourself, because it's just very convenient, and Maafushi offers the most affordable tours and the most variety. So snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing, just various water sports and activities. Yeah, Maafushi has all of that. There was also quite a bit of construction on the island, so they're continuing to build. It's already developed, but it's getting even more developed. But that also means there's like more options for accommodation and restaurants. So you have your pros and your cons that you can weigh. And if you want the chill island vibes with empty beaches and crystal clear water, then Maafushi may not be the ideal location. But stay tuned, because I will be going to 2 more islands on my Maldives tour. Got my life jacket, my snorkels and my fins and my towel, and we're ready to go. So we're doing a shark tour today. Okay, first stop is a sandbank.
very nice. Right now we're the only boat here, so it's not super crowded. Um, and yeah, it's a sandbank. And I'm also taking some drone footage here. It was, I think, $30 extra for 2 locations. So you are not allowed to use your own drone in the Maldives unless you get permission. So it's, a nice addition to the tour to be able to get some drone footage and pictures and everything. So yeah, do a little 360 here. Okay, so the third and final stop is Gulhi Island, where there are stingrays as well as a lunch stop. It's a nice beach though, nice blue water. The temperature of the water is pretty good. It's still cloudy today, but it's not raining, so I'll take it. And yeah, just having some lunch. The second stop was with the nurse sharks. It's pretty cool to swim with the nurse sharks. So yeah, that's it for now. Right now, I am headed to the main island, Mali, to go to my next destination, Gulhi, which is about our public ferry ride from Mali. And today I went scuba diving. I did a 2-tank dive and saw some shark, some fish, obviously, some eagle rays and everything. And yeah, my first dive in the Maldives. Maybe I'll get to dive again. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, excited to have some beach time because the weather is finally looking good. And yeah, we'll see what else. Okay, so I just made it to my accommodation. I am in Gulhi in the Maldives. And yes, so if there was a direct speedboat from Maafushi, which is the island I was at before, to Gulhi, it would have taken like 20 minutes and I would have been there. But unfortunately, there isn't a direct speedboat. So I had to go back to the main city, which was 35 minutes. And then I was going to catch the public ferry here, which should have been like an hour. But the ferry was canceled. So I had to wait 2 hours for the next speedboat to come, which was also $24 more expensive. Um, and yeah, it's been a long travel day. Well, something that should have took like
not very long. Took a whole, like, what time is it? Almost 5 hours, yeah, for an island that's like literally like right next door to the other island. But here is the view from my balcony. So I will definitely just be relaxing tomorrow at the beach. This is a view of Bikini Beach, which is pretty cool. It's super close to the beach, which is nice. Hello. It is a beautiful day in the Maldives. I'm in Gulhi Island. Yeah, it was a hassle to get here, that's for sure, but I made it, so I will enjoy it. I'm only here 3 nights, and then I'm going to a different island, and hopefully it's not a hassle. Actually, I think it will be a hassle to get to the next island as well. So something to keep in mind if coming to the Maldives and trying to go about the local islands is that it does take time and energy to get there, but typically it's worth it. So the weather is cooperating. It's absolutely beautiful and sunny. The beach is right behind me, not that way, but this way. Yeah, so it's like a really nice view from this hotel roof. I'm at Amy Beach Hotel, and I'm currently on the rooftop area, which is pretty cool. You can come up here and eat your breakfast, or have some coffee, tea, whatever. So I did bring some tea up here to enjoy the sun, and the weather. And yeah, they even said they provide like beach chairs, so I will definitely take advantage of that after I go gather my belongings and go to the beach. So I'm looking forward to it. Just a relaxing day at the beach, and the water looks amazing. So definitely gonna take a dip in the water as well. And yeah, day number 4 in the Maldives. The first 2 days, the weather wasn't amazing, so I just slept a lot, but it's nice now. So this is like the perfect water for me. It's clear. I can see the bottom of it. Perfection. I guess it was worth the adventure to get here. So I am this far from the shore, and I'm still standing up. So it only comes to like my not even to my stomach yet. So yeah, it's definitely very shallow, but it's nice to relax and chillin'. They said that out here there is nice snorkeling, but don't go too far because there's a current, like more so where the dark blue is. But I don't have snorkel gear, so I'm just chilling. I need to retire somewhere like this where it has a beautiful beach that I can go to whenever I want. On an island. Yes.
Sometimes everything won't go as planned when traveling, but that usually makes the trip more interesting. Because even though I was initially annoyed with the prolonged travel day to get to Gulhi, I was glad that did happen because at the ferry station I met 5 other travelers who were also trying to get to Gulhi and find alternatives besides the canceled public ferry. So we asked several locals and were turned around a few times, but then we met a really nice local who called the boat captain and made sure we had a spot on the boat to Gulhi. And that was really nice of him because the boat was completely full and quite a few people had to wait several more hours for the next boat. So I made some new friends from Poland, Ireland, and Brazil, and hung out at the beach with them each day and shared a few meals together. So they were great company with great conversations. And on the last night after dinner, we all went to the beach to see bioluminescent plankton, which was really cool. The plankton would light up whenever there's movement in the area, so we were just stumping around the beach, laughing, having a good time, and just enjoying the moment. And that was the perfect way to wrap up my stay in Gulhi.